Hello, in this video, I am going to be modeling how to use dimensional analysis to perform metric system conversions that involve base units. So on our practice set, that corresponds to the level 1 skill. So the first question is, how many meters is 28 centimeters? And whenever you are solving a problem using dimensional analysis, there will be some given quantity. And in this example, the given quantity is 28 centimeters. And so you want to start with that, write 28 centimeters, and make sure that you include the units, not only because that's going to be expected by your AP exam graders, but also that's good practice in science. And also it's going to make these questions, these problems easier to solve. So I'm starting with 28 centimeters, but I'm trying to convert into meters. So my next term in this mathematical expression is going to convert between centimeters and meters. I want centimeters to cancel out. I want centimeters to go away, and I want to be left with meters. And because centimeters is here in the numerator, right? Because I can imagine this is 28 centimeters over 1. If I've got centimeters in the numerator, to make it cancel out, I need to have centimeters in the denominator of my next conversion factor. And I'm converting between centimeters and meters. So now I need to remember what is the conversion between meters and centimeters. And so if I go up to my chart, I can see that there are 100 centi-units in a unit. And so that means that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So I can read this expression right here as 1 meter per 100 centimeters, which is true. There's 1 meter per every 100 centimeters. So now that I've got this set up, my centimeters will cancel out because they're on the top and the bottom, and I can just multiply across. So I've got 28, no units anymore because the centimeters canceled out, times 1 meter divided by, and on the bottom, I just have 100. So I've got 28 meters divided by 100, and 28 divided by 100, you can put this into your calculator or you can just use the decimal shifting trick, is 0.28, and the only unit that's left is meters. So it's 0.28 meters, and that is the final answer. The second question asks, how many millimeters is 1.45 meters? So again, my given information here is this. This is my starting quantity. So I have 1.45 meters. And my task is to convert meters into millimeters. So first I'm going to set up the units on my conversion factor. I'm starting with meters, so I want meters on the bottom so that meters will cancel out. And I want to be left with millimeters. So those are my units. Now I need to fill in the values. There are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. Again, you just need to memorize these or consult the chart until you memorize them. And so if I look at this, my meters, that unit is going to cancel out and I'll be left just with millimeters, which is what I want. So multiplying across the top, I have 1.45 times 1,000 millimeters divided by, and at the bottom, I just have 1 right now. So 1.45 times 1,000 is 1,450, and my unit is millimeters, and that is the final answer. All right, I'm going to model one more level 1 question, and then the rest of them are up to you. So the next question is, how many meters is 300 micrometers, micrometers? And so my given information, my starting information is this. That's the quantity that I know at the beginning. 300. Now the symbol for micrometers is a mu, m. Mu is the Greek lowercase m, since we already used the Roman lowercase m for millimeters. All right, and my goal is to convert between micrometers and meters. So I need micrometers to cancel out. So we're going to put that on the bottom. So these units will cancel out. And I am going from micrometers to meters. So I'm going to have meters on the top. And I have memorized that there are 1 million micrometers in every 1 meter. So I'm taking 300 micrometers, multiplying it by 1 meter per every 1 million micrometers. And multiplying that out, I get 300 meters divided by 1 million. And so this is my final answer as to how many meters is 300 micrometers. All right, that is my demonstration on how to solve level 1 problems. The rest are up to you.